Hello everyone and welcome back. Today I am giving you a complete practical and no nonsense guide to the CFA, the Chartered Financial Analyst program, one of the most respected finance qualifications in the world. Whether you are planning for level 1, level 2 or level 3, this guidance will help you prepare like a professional and avoid the mistakes most candidates make. So let's begin with the structure first. CFA has 3 levels and each level tests a different kind of skill. Level 1 checks your concept, the financial reporting, quantitative methods, and the economics ethics and the portfolio basics. Level 2 checks your ability to apply those concepts like advanced valuation, equity, fixed income, derivatives, and the financial modeling forwards. And level 3 tests your strategic thinking, wealth management, portfolio construction, behavioral finance, and the real world investment decision making. Now, let's talk about the preparation strategy. The first rule, do not memorize everything. CFA is an application based examination, especially from level 2 onward. Understanding is more important than the speed reading. For level 1, follow a 3-phase plan. Phase 1 is the concept building. Take one topic at a time, understand the definitions, formulas, and logic. Phase 2, practice the problems. The CFA Institute's question bank is gold, solve it daily. And phase 3, the mock examinations, at least 6 mocks before the examination. Your score should ideally sit between 65 to 75%. Level 2 needs a slightly different mindset. The case study format means the long questions, deep application, and careful reading. Focus heavily on the FRA, equity valuation, and the fixed income and the derivatives. These topics dominate the examination. And for the level 3 brings the famous constructed response section. This is where the candidates panic the most. But the trick is simple. Answer what they ask, not what you know. Keep your solution structured, precise, and formula driven, and practice the writing responses under the strict time limits. Now, a quick talk on the resources. The CFA Institute curriculum is your main textbook and use a financial calculator every day. Don't wait for the last week to learn the keystroke functions. Now, finally, remember the CFA is not just an examination. It's a commitment to a professional discipline. With a consistent plan, smart resources, and the right guidance, passing all 3 levels become absolutely achievable. So, if you need structured coaching, mock examination support, and one-to-one doubt clearing session, or complete CFA guidance from level 1 to level 3, our institute is always ready to support you on the finance journey. So, don't wait for anything. Join Dr. Shorab's classes today and make your dreams come true with us.